Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have our 2018 Kia Soul. And on this Kia Soul we're going to go over how you'd replace what is called your ambient temperature sensor. This is on the front. This is your bumper support, or the solid piece of the bumper. There are 4 bolts that will need to be removed that are a size 10. One right here in the fender well. It's right there. And then you've got one right here, and that's the same on the opposite side. Then there are various amounts of push pins. There's 4 on the top to be removed, and then there are various amounts on the bottom to be removed, and then we can pull the bumper off. So we will start by removing the bolts. Okay, so we've got the one that's in the fender, or in the fender well. It's more like a screw, and then the other ones are a bolt. Okay, so we've got those done. Up top here are push pins, 1, 2, 3, and then the 4th one. You're gonna need to remove this one. We don't need to remove this one. This is part of the air box, but we need to remove this one because it's part of this. You can use a screwdriver. Get these to pop out. So we've got those 4 undone, and that way this will remove. We're just going to go ahead and pop this one off too, just so we don't have anything holding us back. Set those aside. And so also, for you to be able to work your way around the bottom to pull the push pins, you may want to raise the car up, support it on some jack stands by putting your jack stands under the cross member. It's on the front, and that way you can be able to roll around the front and get the push pins removed on the bottom to be able to remove this head bumper. So what we're looking at for under the bottom is there's push pins behind this lip. These have been a little bit, we're missing a few of them, so you're just going to work your way around and remove the push pins that need to be removed that hold this to the plastic undershield. Okay, so I removed 4, 2 on that side, 2 on this side. There should be 1, 2, at least another 4 that go right here, but they've been removed previously, and so we're not going to worry about those right now. But we've got those all removed, so we should be able to remove the bumper. Now this car doesn't have fog lights, but if you did have fog lights, there would be some electric connections in there that you would need to be you would undo as you pull it away. But this car, the fog lights weren't the option on this one. So I'm going to start on this side. Okay, so I've got that side free, and this side will be the same. So you're just going to grab your bumper right here at the corner, and we're going to pull it. And what we're trying, there is a clip that holds this there. And just bring it up. So we've got that undone there. And there's a little clip here. Just got to pull it up. And once you get it past that tab, then our whole bumper is able to be removed and set aside. So you'll just need to unhook this electric by pressing it down and pulling back. And then this is the sensor that you would be replacing. And you'll want to work it out. And when you get a new one, the new one's going to have the clip on it. But because we're showing you how to replace it, we want to hopefully preserve the electric clip. There we go. And so that is the sensor that has been removed, ambient temperature sensor. And then to replace, when you get a new one, if you need to get a new one, like I said, this will come attached to the new one. And so you just need to press that down in and reconnect that connector, and then go ahead and put your bumper back on. And so that's how you replace your ambient temperature sensor. We're going to go ahead and put the bumper back on. So to start with, you're going to pick up the bumper, and you're going to bring it up in the middle here. And as you push it back, there's some little tabs that will hold it up there. And then on this side as well as the other side, you just press it down below the light there. And then this is kind of boo-boo, but we're not going to worry about that. And so you're just going to press that in. We got one number 10 bolt that we have to put in on this side, as well as we do the same on this side. This bolt's like a screw type bolt. You have one bolt that goes right here. We just work our way around. Same as we did on the other side. You're gonna bring your bumper up and press it in to the clip there, and install this one bolt right here. There we go. And now we have push pins. We've got 2 on this side, 2 on the other side that we push in, and they're attaching to the bottom of the fender well. After you've attached the 4 push pins on the top, the 4 on the sides here, and the 4 in the middle, that would be how you would reinstall your bumper on your 2018 Kia Soul. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.